Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar, hitting out at Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, said that no one will be allowed to play with media's freedom. After meeting KCR, Javadekar said that he has taken serious note of the remarks made by the CM. Telangana CM sparked a controversy by threatening to bury the media 10 feet under the earth if it insults Telangana. Taking serious note of the remark by KCR, Javadekar on Thursday said that media is the soul of democracy and nobody will be allowed to play with its freedom.
मीडिया की आजादी लोकतंत्र का आत्मा है। इसके साथ किसी को भी खिलवाड़ करने नहीं देंगे। The media freedom is very essential ingredient of success of democracy. And we will not anybody to play havoc with media freedom.
Information and Broadcast Minister Prakash Javadekar said that freedom of media has been earned after a lot of struggle. Also talking about the 1975 emergency, Javadekar said that the emergency was to trample media's freedom. He also said that those who enjoy freedom should also behave responsibly.
We also suffered. We were put behind the bars in 1975 emergency regime. This 75 emergency was again trampling of press freedom. We fought against it. We were put behind bars, but ultimately we won. Press freedom has returned. So press freedom is very important, but freedom has not come for free, and therefore freedom entails responsibility. So it has to be a responsible freedom. So those who enjoy freedom must also behave responsibly. But if they are responsible freedom media, we are bound to protect them, and we will do our duty.
After Javadekar's meeting with KCR, he said that he has taken serious note of the issue and will take possible steps. He said that he has discussed all the issue with KCR.
This is not true that nothing has happened. Many things have happened. We have not only issued only notices. The matter went to the TD-SAT, and TD-SAT has given a decision which was implemented for 1 hour, and we have taken note that within 2 hours something happened and they had to go back and again block out. So we have taken very serious note of it and will do whatever is duly and legally possible.
Powered by NNIS.